Hello, in this video I will show you how you can insert SIM card to your Redmi 15C. So first of all you have to take this SIM eject tool which comes inside Redmi 15C box and put it inside this little hole over here. This is the SIM card slot. So to open it, put it like that and it should click. Now take it off very gently, very carefully, because it's easy to break. So do it like that, and now you can find here SIM1 slot over here. This is the SIM1 slot and SIM2 slot. So now take your nano SIM card and place it like that. Here you are able to find this small cuts over here, and also on your SIM card here is this cut. So place it just like that to fitting with this cut, and it should be like that, okay? And now take your Redmi 15C again and place it on this side, and now it should be okay. And basically that's all, it's ready to use. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.